Hey beautiful people, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the International Court of Justice's hearing on South Africa's case against Israel. So the ICJ just held a press conference in which they said that they're going to come up with a decision this week on the emergency measures that South Africa requested. So South Africa requested an emergency ceasefire in Gaza while the case is being heard at the ICJ, because these cases can take years to finalize. So the ICJ will announce this Friday whether or not they're going to grant the emergency order to ceasefire in Gaza. Now, I'm getting a lot of questions which asks, what happens if the ICJ rules in favor of South Africa? Does that mean that Israel will be forced to stop the war and go for a permanent ceasefire? Well, the International Court of Justice can give its decisions, but it cannot really enforce it. It is up to the member countries of the UN to enforce the decision of the ICJ. Now, historically, member states have complied with the orders of the ICJ because otherwise it makes them look really bad on the world stage. But Israel has come out and said, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, to be specific, he has said that even if the ICJ orders a ceasefire, he is going to continue. So we'll see if he complies. However, I think a greater question and a more important question is what happens if the ICJ does not grant the emergency petition in favor of South Africa? Does it mean it's okay for Israel to continue what it's doing in Gaza?